Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about BiSupplier functional interface. So in Java 8, we don't have a built-in BiSupplier functional interface. As we have seen, we had the BiPredicate, then we had the BiFunction, also we had BiConsumer. But we don't have a BiSupplier functional interface in java.util.function package. However, you can create your own custom BiSupplier interface. And what will be the use of it? It will represent a function that will take two input and produce a result. So as we have seen in the supplier interface, it will not take any input, but it will provide you a result. So BiSupplier will take two inputs and then it will provide you a result. As the BiSupplier would need to supply a result based on two inputs, right? So this pattern isn't as common in practice. So that's why we don't have a BiSupplier functional interface in Java 8. So we have the BiPredicate, we have BiFunction, BiConsumer, but we don't have BiSupplier. Why we don't have it? Because Bi basically means we are passing two inputs, right, to get the result. But in supplier, we don't pass any input itself. So we don't require it, right? Because even if we use with supplier, it doesn't take any input. So that is why BiSupplier is not included in Java 8.